Hiccup hack: drink upside down. Drink your water upside down to stop hiccups instantly, and here's why it actually works. Sounds like a prank, right? But this quirky trick has a surprising scientific basis. When you drink water in this topsy-turvy way, you're not just messing around with gravity, you're giving your diaphragm a little jolt that can interrupt the hiccup reflex. Imagine your diaphragm as a twitchy muscle just looking for an excuse to calm down. The act of bending over and sipping from the opposite side of your glass forces your body into an unusual position, which can help distract and reset the nerves responsible for those pesky spasms. It's like a gentle reset button for your diaphragm, and the shift in posture helps realign your breathing. Here's how to master it: fill a glass of water, bend at the waist, and place your lips on the far edge of the glass. Carefully tilt the glass towards you and sip slowly. This maneuver may feel awkward, but its success lies in the strange angle and deliberate slowness, which together coax your diaphragm back to normalcy. Next time a bout of hiccups strikes, skip the sugar and vinegar remedies. Instead, try this head-turning trick. It's simple, quirky, and gives you a fascinating story to share the next time someone else starts hiccuping.